Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and today I have a little video for you. It's a little addition to my EDC, my everyday carry. A discussion with my son, the Leo. He was looking for a non-lethal weapon, something that you could use in a self-defense situation that was not as lethal as a 357 Magnum or a 9mm. And so I was at my local gun shop yesterday and decided I would look into some pepper spray. Here in New York, we're not allowed to have MACE. I don't know if that's really allowed for non-law enforcement anywhere, but this is the it's called MACE, but it's a pepper spray with the UV dye, which is a great idea. Anyway, I picked this up. Let's open this up a little bit, see if I can do it without cutting my hand. And by the way, everybody seems to tout their knives when they're doing an unboxing. This is just a utility knife, and it works well. It's because this is a utility. Anyway, here's the MACE. I guess it's one click and it's gone. That's the safety. This will just be added to my mess already, and I'll be able to carry that every day. And have like I said, an alternative to a 357 Magnum or an 8-inch boot knife. Okay, there you have it. This is FirearmPop. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.